Yo, can you hear me? Alright. Today we're at Chalili's again. Trying the new hot. Ooh, hold on. Is that hot chicken sandwich? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit worried. It looks spicy, but I'm gonna have to take a bite of it.
Is it good? It tastes like.
Okay. Off the bat. Off the bat. I'm more tasting spice.
Spicy? Still spicy? It's our new hot sandwich.
Damn.
Hot sandwich.
Hold on.
Spicy coleslaw, spicy chicken, hot chicken.
Hold on. I couldn't even taste anything. I just automatically hit the. Alright, or hit the spice.
I think I didn't get that, bro.
That. I mean, the chicken is tender, yo, and it's like a. I don't know. It's like kind of like wild sauce from like original Buffalo. Both together from Buffalo Wild Wings. You feel me? Not like taste wise, but like the heat, like.
Take a look. Break it open.
Like open? Okay. Are you? Oh damn, that shit kind of breaking apart. I ain't gonna hold.
Damn. Shit good.
I feel hit definitely. I mean, honestly, I'm rate this like 8 out of 10. Cause you just like mostly taste spice. You could really taste the chicken for real, but like it's cool tender taste. You can still a little bit tiny bit taste the chicken. Yeah. Yeah. But it's good if you want to try something hot like a hot chicken sandwich. Golly.
Hey, keep it a bean with it. Like, what is it like flavor wise? You know what I'm saying? Like,
it's hot as fuck. That's what it is flavor wise. Damn.
me personally, I think that sauce needs more flavor.
Yeah. Honestly, but I feel like they could add more, a little bit flavor with it. But otherwise, it's a solid chicken sandwich. I like it.
Damn, bro, you fucking that shit up though.
So, which sandwich?